our split unit walk-in refrigeration system. First off, the overall dimensions. Measurements for the condenser itself. We have a length of 37.25 inches, a depth of 14 inches, and a height of 33.5 inches tall. Located to the right will be 2 gauges along with 2 valves. Breaker box will be included, each the function of the compressor, defroster, along with the stop compression system. Up here is the Dixel controller for temperature. And on the inside will be a separate breaker to run and operate this condenser. Measurements for the actual cooler or the cooling fan itself will be 45 inches in length, 11 inches in depth, by 18 inches high. This split system can be used as a ceiling or wall mount, and this can coincide and fit for the walk-in coolers and freezers that we sell. So this can be purchased separate along with the other walk-in boxes that we have through our company. Included will be the thermal expansion valve. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.